Hello, welcome to Arty Makes. I'm going to show you how you can turn this cupcake liner into a flower. Well, into one of my favourite flowers, into a daffodil. So you're going to fold it in half like that and make sure it's all nice and flat. Then fold it again, matching up those lines, and then fold it up again. So you've got all the sort of the lined bits, all the bits that are all crinkled and lined, facing away from you. And then if you just cut towards that middle line and then back down again, so you've ended up with sort of an eye shape, get rid of those little bits. You can open it up and you have made some petals. Now you can leave it like this. This would be a flower, but it doesn't look like a daffodil, does it? So open it all up. So you've got something that looks like that. Next, we're going to blob some glue on there, like that. And you can use a smaller cupcake liner, like this, which I've managed to find from Morrison's. But I think a lot of supermarkets do it. In the middle, and that looks like a trumpet. Right, onto the stem. So grabbing one end of the straw, you need to put your scissors inside, like that, and then just cut it 3 times. It doesn't have to be particularly neat because this won't be seen, but this is just so you can attach your straw onto the back of the flower and you get nice and sticky doing this bit like that. Okay, so grabbing the flower, you're going to pop that on, holding it for a few moments just to make sure it really adheres to the flower like that. And then you need to bend it forwards because daffodils kind of have that kink in their stem, don't they? And there we have it, a daffodil. Now I've used 2 yellow cake liners to do this, but you can use orange, white or yellow on any combination of those colours. And if you put them in a bunch like this, they look quite sweet, don't they? And you can have daffodils all year round. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please give me a like, subscribe to the channel and come back for some more Arty Makes really soon. Take care, bye bye.